Plus, I shout whisper them, they are wait for them to circle. I hear what them are dealing. You see it?
Oh! What? Brawling! What's man feel naked a street? Need back Nine-esha, you know, brawling, you know.
Oh, we set them there.
Greetings, ones and ones.
Questions, Miss Preset.
Oh,
It is Wagwan.
Yeah.
One fish.
there.
You good?
That is it, man. Fully active.
See it there?
Jesus Christ. I said to him, man, you're going to Christmas.
Vicious, you alright?
Good, me good, but if me have to.
I feel like I can get a visa.
Say.
Yeah, man, I feel like so when I see when I get a multiple visa, you know.
Very easy. It is. You request a meeting. What the pound of mind?
Well, Miss Preset, I want to tell you, say, remember the little thing I go on the last time where you did fix it? Something I go on right now where we have to get the block up and running. Can't left so. So I just tell you plain and straight.
Yeah, man, right now, my spirit said me feel the black left naked. Right now, we need to up and running again, man.
This sound to me like on a request on a get back firearms for the block.
That we are dealing with this.
You know, I don't like one time. You're not going to abuse it. You don't know we have to use it. Think that we have to bruise it.
And if you do that, you're going to lose it.
And serve a long sentence behind that.
So yeah, say Miss Bishop, can't help it. Because some things are going on the block where need for pray, you know, even though you know it govern.
And that's how we can't help you know. But it's a whole different ball game this time. If we fail, make on get back on the things there, we know that have to be licensed firearm holders.
I like so could I just jump out and hear them to get back my weapons when we did that before. As a part of the agency, would I get in a problem? So right now, you have to just make sure you're not the right thing when you get them. See?
Wherever we did that before, we allow enough to keep it. No, it's a different thing.
So, Miss Preset, so what go on for Nine-esha? Because right now, you make me feel dunce like my name for the bright either.
Precious. Make me do the talking, now, brother. Tell what we need to do, Miss Bishop. And we need to work with it.
Well, the first thing we can do for now is that we're going to put in a word for now stating that we're a legitimate businessman. So they need protection.
A what? Like all that son. So wait, so we can get back Nine-esha.
Vicious, you know, say a 4 murder upon that. Are you responsible?
Oh, no, man, we don't do them things, no, man. From me have Nine-esha, I just love a rock, man, and just frighten the people with that, man. You see me pranks up on you, man, I frighten you have to jump out of your shell.
Let me ask you something. Are you first the one that weapon there?
Yeah, man, it's a personal thing, man, but yes, on the more time we have to swing it round and pass.
Vicious. Easy, now, man. Easy, man. You be so strong. You're a Miss Bishop. Now I know how they did it before. Just tell you what we need to get in place to get the thing active right.
First thing is, we have to talk to Mr. Mullins. We talked to him already, but him have to sign off on this. We can't make it seem like we need them to protect us, on self or the community. I have to make it look like we're not protecting the business. So I need on the email address, send on some applications. Sign it up, then I tell you what to sign on it, and send it back to you. We will take it from there.
And then here we go on. You see this? And then something from you just use as you feel like. See? Now if you remember, say, when you use it, if you not use it wisely, you're not going to lose it and spend prison time.
Once again, we are vouch for no. We do it already, and things go sideways. We do it again. So I expect you to do the right thing.
I easy fix that, Miss Brissett, man. From the side where you go, you can't go back with you, hear that? And I easy fix, just remember that, man. I'll go fix things.
Well, enough respect, Miss Brissett, and thanks a lot here. Now I'm going to let you down. We just need to feel protective for the block. You know the others.
We tell the people them say, you're not too young businessmen, see? So, you just have to make sure you keep the right thing up, see? But you know, community will always be the problem. So we have to set an example.
Sometimes it's more difficult when you're a licensed firearm holder. As rules govern everything. If you don't see something jump off over on the community, you can't pop off and wheel off like say, no. The only thing one can do is make a community arrest. And then alert we. We will send a team so they can make the official arrest. But Uno have to stay out of harm's way.
And remember, once people know say you have it, you become a target.
So yeah, I say, me have him if you hold it down. I say, if you keep it down.
Miss Brissett, I send in the email address then. I'm just take it from this. So, yeah?
Here, whisper. Me have your digits already, you know. Send your email right away. Because we don't deal with email, you know.